Good day, grade 5. Okay, unfortunately, due to the weather we're having right now, okay, we don't have a face-to-face class or synchronous class. And that is why I'm going to discuss our lesson through this. Okay, we're going to have our video lesson. Okay, our topic for today would be the Kadal Tahu of the Tivoli. Okay, first, let us discover who are the Tiboli? The Tiboli people are the indigenous people from South Cotabato, Mindanao of the Philippines. Okay, they are centered around the scenic Lake Cebu. Okay, again, class, when we say indigenous, okay, they are the tribes or the people who lived in the province. Okay, now the Tiboli are renowned for their music, dance, weaving arts, and oral storytelling. Okay, they have strong spiritual connection. That is why their cultures and tradition are still very, very important and relevant until now. Okay, the Tivoli and the natures are always connected to each other. As a matter of fact, there are five elements, okay, of the nature in Tivoli. Okay, the first one are the trees. Why? Because these are the sources of their okay, life and materials that they use in the province of the Tivoli. Okay, another one are the messengers, okay, because they believe they are the messengers and the music of the nature. Okay. The third one would be the rivers. Why? Because the river is a path. What does it mean, sir? A path. Okay, they travel to the river by using boats and stuff. Okay, like the Moana and their tribes. Okay, just the Tibuli are just like that too. Okay, and of course the mountains as the strength and refuge. What does the refuge mean, sir? Because the mountains are the place where they can live. A refuge, they can stay, they can live, and they can prosper in that area or in the mountains. And of course, the rain, the blessings, and the renewal. Okay, why? Because the rain, okay, is water, and water is life, blessing, and a symbol of renewal or new day. Okay, and of course, they have also musics. Okay, the music that imitates the sounds of bird and wind. Okay, they dance and retell the stories of animals and nature. Okay, like the last time, yung mga sayaw ng mga nakaraan, yung parang naliligo sila sa pamamagitan ng pagsayaw ng ibon. Okay, ganun din sa kanila. And of course, there are the Tinalak public and the Tinalak patterns and reflect natural motifs. Okay, again, when they say motifs, these are the animals. Okay, the animal symbols that they use in the Tinalak fabric. Okay, tradition preserves identity and history and beliefs. Okay, the Tivoli origin story. Okay, they have their own ancestor. Okay, we Filipino Christians, okay, believe we have Adam and Eve. Okay, meron din tayong the great flooding. While in their story, in their ancestral story, they also have those. Okay, they got their god called Diwata. And then they have the great disaster or great flood or great storm. Okay, and that and that's the reason, okay, they have to sought refuge inside a very, very huge bamboo to survive kay the rising waters. Nagtago po sila dun sa bamboo sa loob, na malaking-malaking bamboo daw po. And then, kay meron mga ilang mga nakaligtas. Okay, the great flood threatened the Tibuli ancestor, naubos sila halos. Okay, na warningan naman na yung mga taga-Tibuli ng Diwata or ng kanilang god. And that is why nakatag-refuge sila inside their bamboo. Okay, there are survivors. Okay, four. Okay, four survivors that will become the ancestor, okay, of the Tiboli people in their beliefs. Okay, that is Labeybey, Lalomi, Tamfeles, and Lagake. Okay, they are the ancestor, and they believe the descendants are the Tiboli. And that is why this story is passed down through the generation through oral tradition sa pagkwento or sa pagkanta. Okay po. Okay. The music of Tivoli is used in their everyday life. Why? Because it accompanies their celebration. Okay, when they have celebrations, Okay, they dance sings such as wedding, birthdays, and festivities. Okay, there are also instrumental music o in Tiboli. Okay, the first one natin would be Utom. Okay, the Utom is the instrumental music of Tiboli people. Okay, the sounds of Utom imitate natural environment such as rustling trees, yung pagtunog ng mga halaman kapag winre-wrestles mo sila, kaya yung mga hinahawak-hawakan. Okay, the Utom Lukmutul is imitate the sound of a rice mill grinding rain. Okay? Parang pagka ginigiling yung mga bigas, ganun yung tunog ng utom lukmutul. Okay? That because it symbolizes okay, the labor and the hard life okay, of the Tiboli community. The second instrumental music would be Utom Tikak Manaul. Okay, that imitates a call of the Manaul bird. Okay, the Manaul bird is a common bird seen in Tiboli communities. Okay, dalawa yung pinaka main focus natin alongside with Utom. All right, next. Okay, alam na natin yung mga musical instrument na yan, the idiophone. Okay, this one, the musical instruments, we already know this, the idiophones. Okay, it produces sound when struck, aerophone, it produces sound when you use air. Okay, chordophones use strings to produce sounds, and of course, the vocal music, the lingon. Okay, this one is a traditional vocal music performed in celebration. Ito yung a cappella. Okay, huwag na yan. Okay, wag na rin ito. Okay, this. What is lingon? Okay, a lingon is traditional vocal music of the Tiboli people. Okay, it is sung heartfelt melodies passed down through generation. Okay, why did they perform this lingon nito? Okay, the lingon is a way to express their happy and joyful community gatherings. What does it mean, sir? When they have celebrations, they usually do this and then proceed to their happenings or gatherings. Okay, even in sad occasions, they use this music, okay, lingon. Okay, there are types of lingon, apat yan. Okay, the lanon, it is used for song of sorrow. Okay, they are using this when someone died. Okay, o kaya naman they have um, funeral wakes, o kaya kamatayan ng mga araw ng kamatayan ng mga loved ones nila. Okay, they use the lanon. Okay, again, lanon is sorrow. Okay, the lingon lemek. Okay, this one naman is used to share their story or their culture. The folk takes such as their ancestors or God and ancestral story. Okay, again, the Limok Lemek is a way of telling a story of their culture and their origin. Okay, the Lingon Ubo naman is a courtship song. Okay, it is like a love song. Okay, pangharana, yun ganun yung ginagamit nila. Okay, the Lingon Ubo. And of course, the last one is the Slingon. Okay, this one naman is an exchange of lines, riddles, and values performed during weddings. Okay, usually, two singers take turns sharing their wisdom and celebrating the union. Usually, nagagamit siya sa mga kasal. Okay, again, there are only four types of lingon, the lanon, okay, lingon lemek, the lingon ubu, and the slingon. All right, the Koyu no Tebulul. The Koyu no Tebulul is one of the most beloved Tiboli songs okay, that describes a tall standing tree on a mountain with bird okay, that while resting on its branches. Okay, it is a core value in Tivoli. Why? Because they believe it is one of the sacred tree okay, in their community. Okay, the Tivoli dances. Okay, the Tivoli dances are the most powerful form of their expression. How? Because they are very, very traditional people, and that's why they express their tradition not just in songs but through dances too. All right? Okay, many of the Tivoli dances are mimetic. Okay, what does it mean? You are imitating the something and such as animals, okay, the nature, like I said kanina, may mga leaves na nagra-rustles, and such. Okay, the dances itself connects to the Tibol people and their cultural beliefs and their cultural tradition. Okay, these are the examples of the Tiboli dances. Okay, you may read this, but we're not going to include this on our test, so huwag na natin siyang pag-focusan. Okay, the Kadal Tahu, this one is a sacred ritual dance of the Tiboli people. Okay, that tells the story of how the world was created. Okay, sinasayaw nila to kapag kinukwento nila yung kanilang origin, yung mga kanilang ancestors, yung apat na kinakaligtas sa Great Flood na ginawa or na-warningan sila ng kanilang god na si Diwata. Okay, there are also story of the Kadal Tahu or the Tiboli people. Okay, the first one is the Datu Tib begins. Okay, para siyang ano siya, the first okay, story of their existence. The world has no land, only water and sky. Okay, the second one is the Tudbulul. Okay, this one naman is something about the Betuati bird, the secret messenger to help create the earth. Okay? Yan yung parang alaga or katulong ni kanilang god na si Diwata. Okay, and of course, the Betotis bird scoop dust from the Datu Steve's body carrying its beak. Ano ibig sabihin nun, sir? Kinukuha niya yung yung mga lupa sa katawan ng Datu Steve's body and then dadalhin niya yon sa may mga karagatan to form land. Okay, para ginagawa yon ng bird na yon, okay, ng Bitoti bird na yon, unti-unti hanggang sa nakabuo ng mga land, okay, ng mga island, okay, sa mga karagatan. And of course, the Tudbulul. Okay, this one is on join the dance, helping and shape and expand the growth of earth. Ito yung pamangkin ni Diwata, okay, their gods. And of course, the last one is the mountains and the uneven landforms, okay, dahil nga doon sa ginagawa ng Betoti bird and dahil doon nabuo yung Tivoli homeland ng community or yung kanilang mga lands. Okay? Okay, the movements of Kadal Tahu. Okay, when they are dancing, the hand movements represents the plain lands and the flat lands of the Tivoli okay, land. And of course, the jumping movements is the symbols of the creation of the islands and mountains kasi nga parang patalon, okay, pa-triangle. That's why they are creating the mountains and their islands. And of course, the character actions such as portraying the roles of Dato Tib, Tudbulul, his aunt, and Betoti Bird, each character okay, depicts or reflects their creation of the story. Okay, that is the general story of the Kadal Tahu. Okay? Again, the Kadal Tahu nga pala is a dance. Okay, it's a living creature. It's a living cultural treasure. What does it mean, sir? Because that until now, the Kadal Tahu is very, very relevant and still happening in the Tivoli community. Okay? Again, okay, that is all for today. Okay, if you have any questions or clarifications, you may message me through via FB or Messenger. Okay, thank you for listening. That is all. Goodbye, grade 4. Grade 5.